All right, let's talk about something that's honestly changed lives: praying like Jesus. I know prayer can feel intimidating or even confusing sometimes, but Jesus made it so real and so simple. So if you've ever wondered how to pray like he did, I've got you covered with some step-by-step tips you can start using today. First, Jesus started with connection. He called God Father, not some distant figure, but a loving parent. So when I pray, I just start by remembering that God actually cares about me. I might say, "Hey God, it's me again. I know you're here and you love me." It's about relationship, not performance. Next, Jesus thanked God. Gratitude was always part of his prayers. I try to do the same, just thanking God for something, even if it's small. Thank you for this new day. Thank you for coffee. Thank you for my friends. It shifts my heart and reminds me I'm blessed, even on hard days. Then Jesus was honest. He didn't hide how he felt. In the Garden of Gethsemane, he poured out his fears and struggles. I think that's huge. I'll just tell God what's on my mind, my worries, my hopes, the stuff I'm embarrassed about. He already knows, but there's something freeing about saying it out loud. After that, Jesus asked for God's will. He prayed, "Not my will, but yours be done." That's tough sometimes, but I try to trust that God's plan is better than mine. I'll say, "God, here's what I want, but I trust you if things go a different way." It's not about giving up, it's about letting go. Finally, Jesus prayed for others. He prayed for his friends, his followers, people who hurt him. I make a list: family, friends, people struggling, and I lift them up to God. It's a way to love others, even when I can't fix everything myself. So, to pray like Jesus, connect with God, be grateful, get honest, trust his will, pray for others. There's no perfect formula, just a real conversation with someone who loves you more than you can imagine. Try it today. You might be surprised by how close God feels when you pray like Jesus.